Ceramic Pro is a nanoceramic coating that protects your wheels from contaminants such as road salt, acid, and brake dust. The coating works as a sacrificial layer and can be seen as an additional clear coat added to your wheels that outperforms the factory finish. The nanoparticles in the coating fill in all the open pores in the factory finish, and it creates a new, more dense, super slick surface. This makes cleaning your wheels hassle-free. Ceramic Pro is a one-time application that will last a lifetime if maintained correctly. We offer a 3-year manufacturer warranty from the date of application.